I've been in the food service industry and teaching culinary education for over 20 years. The online program at Escoffier can allow students to develop the same skills as ground campus students, but you complete the program in your own kitchen. I've seen how well the online program prepares students, gives them one-on-one attention, and helps set them up for the same career success. A typical week starts by reviewing interactive lessons, browsing technique videos, and studying recipes to build the foundation for your kitchen creations. From there, you'll participate in discussion forums and quizzes, then join a weekly virtual classroom to connect with instructors and classmates, ask questions, and receive support. Next, you'll complete your weekly assignment. All the work is documented step by step with photos. You'll also have access to our flavor wheel to help you work through and assess taste, which is a standard culinary school practice. Once your assignment is complete, submit it for review, and your chef instructor will evaluate and provide timely feedback. For me, this is one of my favorite parts of the process because I get a chance to see the growth and development of our students as they increase their culinary skills and knowledge. The final component of the program is an industry externship at a professional working kitchen. Our Career Services Department will assist you in this process. The externship takes everything you have learned in the classroom and gives you the hands-on experience to finish the program and transition into working in the industry.